עוד לא! עוד לא! Everybody, my name is Ayal. I'm 18 years old, and this is where I live. Now I'm going to meet my friend Omri, and we're gonna eat some hummus. Now me and Omri say hi. Hello. We're at the beach. We're going on our bike, and we're on our way to eat some hummus. Yeah, hummus.
Go Vegas.
Hi, this is me and my friend Omri. We're riding our bike at the port of Tel Aviv on our way to eat the best hummus in town. Stay with us. Now we're at the Carmel Market, me and Omri, and we're gonna show you the best hummus in Tel Aviv. And this is the Carmel Market. We love it so much. It's a great place to be.
It's amazing.
We found it. It's the best hummus in town, in the middle of the Carmel Market. We're gonna eat and we're gonna enjoy it. Bye bye. So this is Tel Aviv. That's my city. That's the city that never stops. Even though it's cloudy and a bit rainy today, it's very hot and sunny at most of the days throughout the year. A bit like at your place in Vegas. Tel Aviv in the background. I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. I live with my father and my mother and my 9-year-old brother Tal. My majors at high school are English, French, economy and psychology. I spend most of my free time at Scouts. I love being there and I love hanging out with my friends there. I hope to see you soon, and I hope you got to know Tel Aviv and got to know my life. Bye bye. Hello to all the kids in Vegas. This is my Shevet Sofim, and we have something to say to you. They say Las Vegas, love you from Tel Aviv.